Scientifically, if we compare the difference between cremation and burial, and let me tell you that majority of the people in the world after dying, they are being buried, because the Christians are approximately 2.5 billion in the world, the Muslims are more than 2 billion, the Christians are approximately 31% in the world, and the Muslims are more than 25%. Both put together, only the Christians and Muslims, they are more than 56% of the world population, and many others are also buried. So approximately 2/3 of the world population, they are buried. If you compare the pros and cons between the burial of a dead body and a cremation of a dead body, point number one, when we cremate or burn the body after the person has died, there is a lot of pollution. So cremation and burning the dead body causes multiple times more pollution. It pollutes the area. As compared to burial, there is no pollution, alhamdulillah. Number two, when a dead body is cremated, for burning the dead body, a lot of wood has to be burned, because of which millions of trees have to be chopped. In India alone, there are millions of trees every year. They are killed and they are chopped only because they require wood for burning the dead bodies. So the forest is destroyed because of cremation, because of burning the dead bodies. Whereas in burial, the forest is retained, the more greenery is retained as compared to cremation. Point number three, when a dead body is buried, the bones, they disintegrate, the body gets disintegrated, and scientifically today, science tells us that whatever is present in the human body, the components, to a lesser or greater extent, the same components also present in the earth. So as it said in Islam, from earth we come and to the earth we return. So the thing is that it is more scientific to bury a body as compared to cremation. Point number four, when we bury a body, the body disintegrates, the bones disintegrate, and it makes that land where the dead body is buried more fertile, which is not the case when a body is burnt, it turns into ashes. When we bury the body, it gives more manure, the earth gets more fertile, there's more greenery, there's more forest, it's much better for the environment. Point number five, the land where you bury, the same land can be recycled. Once you burn the wood in burying a dead body, that wood cannot be used, it turns into ashes. So in burial, it can be recycled. And point number six, it is very cheap. There is no cost required. Once you buy the land, and most of the graveyards, they are big, they are present hundreds of years, the same land can be used after a few years. Whereas in cremation, in burning, it's very expensive. You have to buy wood. It's more expensive to burn a body as compared to burying a body. So scientifically, I've just mentioned 6 benefits of burying as compared to cremation.